shit. Oh shit. So if y'all don't know the lore, last time bro did that shit, he fucking flipped that bitch.
Yeah, that one's a little bit scary, but I got a good one there.
No, that was good, yeah.
That was a good one.
I was like, oh shit, you got it up.
Yeah, on this stretch on the S1K, you can hit something crazy.
Oh, say that.
Let me do it, please.
Don't take it above 70, dog.
You serious?
You can get above 100 for sure.
Oh yeah. No, I'm not going that fast. Oh yeah. Oh. BMW S1000RR.
Not above 70.
Huh?
Not above 70 and be careful. Feel the road first. Okay?
I'm gonna go slow first. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Low-key, I'm tipping on this bike. Like I tiptoes. Because, here we go. It's low-key a lot different than the little Grom. We recording? Yes, we are. Okay. We're gonna tilt it back all the way so we have the most wind. Hell yeah, we going. We going slow. This is crazy. Riding an S1000, bro. This is actually crazy. I told him I'm gonna take it slow on the first lap, so I'll be chill with it. Hell yeah! This shit rips, bro. I'm not even paying attention to the speedo, bro. I'm just trying to hold on. This shit's fast as hell. Holy shit, this is fast as fuck. Dude, holy shit. Like, it just fucking like, oh my gosh, dude, this is crazy. It just like straight up like fucking sends you, bro. Crazy. This shit is absolutely fucking like wild. Like, holy fuck, dude, this shit's fucking insane. Oh my days. Like, oh my gosh. Fucking crazy, bro. Holy fuck. Shit. Crazy, brother. Crazy.
How was it?
Insane. This shit just fucking like fucking sends you, bro. Holy shit. BMW S1000. Shout out to the homie for letting me ride it.
25.
Thank you, my friend. Yeah, it's a 2025 S1K. Don't ask how he obtains the money. He's definitely not a drug launderer or some shit. But he still got it. So shout out to my boy.